Guys, hi, it's Colin here from the Miles Better Groove Party channel. Just loving the new updates that have come out and gone live. I came in to play with something I'd seen on the David Lemon Drops channel just earlier, and actually we've got some new stuff already. So let me show you. Look at this. We've always struggled when we're wanting to move things around inside containers. They've gone red. They're not green anymore. What does this mean? These extra boxes. Look at this. I'm so excited. I don't want it there. I want it in the middle. I don't want it there. I want it off center. I don't want it there. I want to drag it down. Look at this. I want to change the shape. This is what we have been waiting for. This is what we have needed to make things even more playable. So we can make things, we can move things around, we can drag it over here, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller. Look at this. Still a little bit clunky, but I think that's probably me just not playing around with it correctly. There we go. Let's just see what happens when we drag this down. Look, things start moving around inside the boxes. I think we can also do the same here. We can drag the chapter around. Look at this. No more playing around with the sizes anymore. We can just drag and move around. Look at that. Loving that. So that's really exciting. Let's see what happens here. We can also drag this across. Look, we don't need to come over in here, do the spacing. We can just play and drag and move it around a little bit. What a great addition, which is what we've been waiting for. They've been promising it. Great job to the developers. Fantastic. What I actually came in here to play with was the negative space that also was pointed out to me. So if we come here and we make this negative, we can actually move ourselves above. And this was the fun thing, in that we could take it and have it so that it is half over another panel. So if, for example, we wanted to take this whole block here as well, come in here, take it, make it negative. Look, we can drag them up. So now they go across blocks, which is pretty cool. I think they could do that before, but I've only just learned it, so that's pretty cool. It means that, again, for a little bit more design, let's see if we can get this one to go bigger again. It's probably got to go the other way and stuff. So we'll drag that over there. Make it a little more round again. There we go. And then we can just drag him about as we want to. Look, he moves around. Get him in there and get it to come across to where we want it. Look at that. Again, the same here. Let's just drag this around, puts it more centralized. And the same thing here. We can just move it around and make it a little thing. So we've got some red boxes now instead of green. So again, a little bit more fun with the old design, but wanted to show you that also this fun feature with using the negative, probably gone a little bit high on that one. So perhaps we just check where we were on the minus negative, -8. What are we on this one? Spacing, probably on this block here. -8, so we actually are in line. So that's pretty good. It's probably because of just the change of the shape. So there you go, guys. A little few minutes video on some of the new features that have come through already. I'm going to explore a lot more, but that's a little bit of fun. I'm going to post that up in the Miles Better Groove Funnel Party Facebook group. Do join us. I'm also going to put it on my YouTube channel. And if you like that, then please subscribe using the button below. Thanks very much, guys. Speak to you all soon.